Welcome to Tubies Newbies. I'm here to help you YouTube better. Today, you will learn about one of the major issues we are facing, spam. What would be the reasons for spam? Let us find out few of them. One of the common reasons for getting spam is when you use unrelated information such as tags, title, thumbnail, description, or even by using celebrity names to get more views. You need to stop this now itself. This is against YouTube community guidelines. Let's see the next reason. Do you trick audience by posting irrelevant links in your channel? Links that are not related to your channel or video should be avoided. You may risk your YouTube channel by doing this. Lazy to create new content? Have you been posting repetitive content over and over again? Stop doing this. Okay, so what about sub for sub? No, sub for sub is against YouTube policies. If you're caught doing this, YouTube can even terminate your channel. So don't risk it. Let us check the next reason for getting spam. Are you leaving repetitive comments on the videos you watch? Well, your comments will be considered spam. So, stop spamming. Live streaming? Even in live streaming you get spam. Are you streaming content that belongs to somebody else? That would be considered as a spam. You should avoid doing this. Let us check the next reason. Are you using scrapped content from other creators? That would be spam, too. Avoid this and be creative in your content. Reasons of spam doesn't really end here. So be careful while creating content. It is very important to know what happens when you violate these policies. Let us see how YouTube reacts to spam. At first, YouTube removes the video containing spam. They will also send us a warning about it. Once in a while check your YouTube Studio and notifications in it. If you keep doing spam, a strike against your channel has been given. By now, you should be concerned. Do not ignore. At last, YouTube gives you a final warning. You receive this only when you have got 3 strikes within 90 days. Now, YouTube will terminate your YouTube channel. You do not want to wait until this happens. Do you? Now you know how to avoid spam. YouTube guidelines are very easy to follow. Learn them and your channel can be spam-free. That's all for today. Hope you liked this content. Let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to hear from me again, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube tutorials. Until then, hasta la vista. Thank you for watching.